In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can lock notes on your iPhone. For privacy and security reasons, you may need to lock your important notes on your iPhone. To do this, simply head into the Notes app. Select any note you would like to lock. Let's say this note right here. You will have to just long hold on to the note. Then after select the second option of Lock Note. Enter your current phone system passcode to continue. When enabled, your note will get a padlock icon as you can see right here. Whenever you close your Notes app, you will need a passcode to access your locked notes. That's how easy it is to lock your notes on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.